the passing out the batch of 10 of 2026. Today's last day. Have you got confidence here? Everything? Yeah. Good. How's the course?
Fine, sir.
Fine, good. Basically, we got the students of DD Diamonds who have cleared recently NDA 1, CDS 1, FCAT 1. In this ceremony, they will get the cash award of 2000 by Sandeep sir, and there will be blessing by Director sir. Same time, we got a student from ACC here, from Army. In this batch, we got the 4 students of Sainik School, Ghodaka. This time they are not here. Tomorrow they will be joining. We'll start the cash award ceremony. First students, our Pratham participant, Anjali Yadav, for the NDA 1 2026.
I just want to say only one thing. Giving me a cloth, plastic flower. I want bouquet from your side. जब आप recommend हो जाएंगे तो bouquet लेके आना है. बस simple, right? Bouquet लाना और 20,000 लेके चले जाना. As simple as that, right?
Yes.
You have to tell your name or place, bas. That's all.
I am Anjali Yadav. I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Vaishali Chauhan, FCAT 1 2026.
My name is Vaishali Chauhan. I am from Rampur, Uttar Pradesh.
Congratulations.
Bansika, for NDA 1 2026.
I'm Manshika. I'm from Bihar.
Narinder Singh, CDS 1 2026.
Congratulations. आपका our
Aniket Nagar, NDA 1 2026.
Tell your name and place.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Aniket Nagar from Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and I am here in Dehradun last year for the preparation of NDA, and this time I have qualified.
बस.
Asit Arora,
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Harshit Arora and I am from Shri Ganganagar, Rajasthan.
Rishikesh Selar, CDS 1 2026.
My name is Rishikesh Shelar. I am from Ahilyanagar, Maharashtra.
Uddeshya, NDA 1 2026.
My name is Rishikesh Shelar. I am from Ahilyanagar, Maharashtra. Myself Udesh Chahal from Amroha, Uttar Pradesh.
उसको सुनाई दिया?
Myself Udesh Chahal from Amroha, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Raghav Sirsa, FCAT 1 2026.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Raghav Sirsa and I am from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh.
Ajay Rawat, FCAT 1 2026.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Ajay Rawat from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
कितना वेट कम करना है? कर ले
Prithviraj Singh, CDS 1 2026.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Prithviraj Singh from MP.
Congratulations.
Mohammad Akram, NDA 2026, NDA 1.
I am Mohammad Akram and I am from Kotra Jalan, Uttar Pradesh.
Congratulations.
Mayank Yadav, NDA 2026.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Mayank Yadav. I am from district Manipur, Uttar Pradesh.
Congratulations.
Prashant Kumar, NDA 1 2026.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Prashant Kumar. I belong to Mathura, UP.
Nishant, NDA 1 2026. दोस्तों बोलो.
My name is Nishant. I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, next basically award for Mayank Yadav for NDA mock test first. 3,000 rupees and NDA weekly test 13 and 14.
3,000.
3,000, 1,000, 4,000.
मेरे को मजा आ रहे हैं.
3,000 and 1,000, 4,000.
4,000
Total.
level.
देखो पहले क्या ये जो ACC के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, all the 3 students from Army. Apart from these students basically leaving today from this batch, they can come side here. ACC.
Good luck. Good luck. Thank you. तो मेजर अरुण यादव ने रिकमेंड किया ना, वो मेरे बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड है, तो ट्राई योर बेस्ट, राइट? राइट, ओके। I just want to say one thing. SSB boards are made for, not for, तो रिजेक्ट मत होना, क्योंकि वो सिलेक्शन के लिए बने हैं. नाउ इट्स अप टू यू, यू हैव टू बी ओरिजिनल. बाकी सब बता ही दिया होगा. एंड रिसेंटली आई विजिटेड, अच्छा हमारे पास एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर कितने हैं? कौन कौन है? INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. So I got the opportunity to visit Naval Base Karwar last week and got the opportunity to have lunch with my student at INS Vikrant. और उस टाइम पे सामने ही INS विक्रमादित्य भी खड़ा था, तो एक साथ दोनों एयरक्राफ्ट देखना बड़ा रेयर होता है और मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली बिकॉज ऑफ माई एक्स स्टूडेंट. और जिसने मेरा पास भी बनाया था, मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि मेरा एक स्टूडेंट वहाँ पे है. मैंने अप्लाई किया था, मेरा एक बैचमेट है, इज स्टिल इन सर्विस, कमांडर है वो, तो उसके थ्रू अप्लाई किया था. तो जिसने मेरा पास बनाया वो DDA का स्टूडेंट निकला और उसने अपना पूरा एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर घुमाया. लंच किया वहाँ पे ऑफिसर मैस में. बिलीव मी, चाहे आर्मी हो, नेवी हो, एयरफोर्स हो, एक बार कैसे भी घुस जाओ अंदर, कैसे भी, उसके बाद स्काई इज द लिमिट. आप लोग स्पेशली जो ACC आप भी अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, ट्राई कर रहे हैं, जो मेरा बैचमेट जिसका मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ वो भी इसी एंट्री के थ्रू गया था. नाउ ही इज कमांडर, राइट? तो इससे अच्छा रिस्पेक्ट, इससे अच्छा जो लाइफ का चार्म है किसी और जगह नहीं है जो इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस में आपको मिल सकता है. बट फॉर दैट जो भी आपको यहाँ पे सिखाया गया है, बताया गया है, अप्लाई करो और उस पर्टिकुलर डे पे नेवर नो क्या होगा, बट अपने तरफ से अच्छे से जितना भी हो सकता है कोशिश करो. एंड यू हैव टू बी ओरिजिनल. वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, दिखना चाहिए कि आप एक रटाया करके आए हो, राइट? दैट्स ऑल. बाकी ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई एम वेरी मच श्योर लाइक एवरी बैच, इस बैच से भी बहुत सारे बच्चे रिकमेंड होंगे और फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट में आएंगे. और जो मैंने आज आपको एक फ्लावर दिया है उसको रिटर्न करेंगे बुके के रूप में और फिर 20,000 और लेंगे. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best.
Okay, we got a student of ex-student Dunduk Academy, Ashish Arya with us. He has selected for SSC non-TET OTA. Okay, and you're waiting for merit list. He wants to share some experience.
So basically, sir has given me a brief introduction about me. मैं starting ये कहना चाहूँगा कि to prepare for defense and especially this entry, you need a lot of patience with determination and consistent efforts. Like journey starts with the written examination. It has different scope and it has different like strategy and planning as well. But after you clear the written examination, there is a different stage called SSB, and this is completely different from other things. So मैंने अपनी SSB के टाइम पे जो भी प्लानिंग करी उसका शॉर्ट ब्रीफ अगर मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू गेट फेस द SSB very soon. So basically there are different stages like psychological test and there is a GTO test, ground test, group testing officer, and interview. So basically you have to sit alone, think about yourself, what you have done in previous, what mistakes you have committed, what good things, what is your personality and your own character. Do your own introspection for that interview. Apart from that, practice everything. Go with the practice because practice gives you practice excel you in different stages. वहाँ पे जाके आप जो गलतियाँ करोगे प्रैक्टिस में ऑलरेडी यहाँ करके जाए ना, बेटर है. आप वहाँ साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट में देखोगे यार मेरी हैंड राइटिंग स्लो है, मेरी स्पीड अच्छी नहीं, मेरी राइटिंग बेकार आ रही है, या फिर मैं स्टक हो रहा हूँ. प्रैक्टिस करके जाओ, जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे यहाँ पे उतना वहाँ पे अच्छा रहेगा. देयर इज अ सेइंग इन द लाइक द मोर यू ब्लीड, द मोर यू स्वेट इन प्रैक्टिस, द लेस यू ब्लीड एट वॉर. एवरीवन हैज known to it. So practice before going and like go with the confidence, है ना. Whatever told in the classes, just follow that and it will be really good. Go with a good attitude.
Good evening all. My name is Prince and I am from State Haryana. So I have taken SSB coaching from here. I have cleared CDS and I think the facilities here are very good. The hostel facilities are also good. The friends here I met, they are very good. Overall, the center is very good and the facilities are very good. Thank you.
My name is Mayankraj Dikshit. I am from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. My experience at DDA was very good, and it was and the teachers have taught us with very knowledge and with experience, and they taught us with a good energy, important informations that of geopolitics. I have done 14 days course of SSB from 1 June to 14 June, and it was a very grateful experience for me to be the part of DDA.
So my name is Soumya Rastogi. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I am here for DDA SSB. I am from NDA entry. Before coming to the academy, I have no knowledge about the SSB and how it happens. But after doing a 14-day course, I am well prepared and have confidence in myself. And all the activities, OIR, GTO, and psychology interview, all done well, and gave me some feedback about my problems. And I am now prepared for the SSB and hoping so that my SSB was going well.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vanshika. I have enrolled at the Sandeep Sir Student Defence Academy for my SSB coaching for the NDA 157th entry. I think I would recommend this academy to everyone because the SSRs here are top notch. I was assessed well for all the 3 parts of the SSB, the psych, the GTO and the interview. I would recommend this academy for everyone who is preparing for any SSB entry, and wishing you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you, Jai.
My name is Mayankraj and I belong to UP Bagpa. My experience is good, and now the teacher and the psychology interview is good, very good, and the GTO is very best for me, and my confidence is high when I come here. The confidence is not so high, but today my confidence is very high. Thank you.
I am Akshay Kumar Gujjar. I am from Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh. I am here for SSB, and my DDA experience is very good. My name is Harshit Arora, and I am chess number 76 of Doon Defence Academy, Sandeep Sir Doon Defence Academy in Dehradun. So I am from NDA entry. I come from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. I felt very good coming here, and I met many people who are from the same NDA academy. I met them and shared my views and taken their views in this academy. I got much confidence here, and I feel that in this attempt I will clear my NDA with the help of Sandeep sir, and the staff is very good. Psychology part and the GTO part make me very confident, and now I am not having any hesitation in clearing these kind of obstacles or other things. Thank you.
So, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Anmoldeep Singh and I come from the Bijnor district of Uttar Pradesh. Talking about my experience in the DDA, especially in the SSB classes. So first one is I am preparing for my SSB interview. Talking about my experience, the first one is starting from the Colonel sir, who are very motivating, and they are remove our hesitation, especially in the public speaking. Moreover, they are helping in lecturate, and sometimes if we get stuck, they are very helpful. And now talking about the second part, in the GTO, where the Ravi sir are very coordinating, they are very helpful. They teaching the every task to us very easier in a very simple language. And moreover, before our practice, they conduct the lecture parts, they conduct the GD parts, and also the military planning. Also talking about the PGT parts in my SSB, especially by the Ravi sir, they are very coordinating, giving very short tricks which are helpful in the SSB parts. And moreover, the interview parts are also good, where we remove our hesitations in speaking of anyone else. And moreover, they are very helpful. They give a very good feedback, so we can improve more and do better. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lakshay, and I attended the 1026 batch at the Doon Defence Academy, and my experience was really great. I understood my weakness and my strength, and honestly, I would recommend everyone who wants to get a clear guidance for the NDA, SSB, FCAT interviews and guidance.
My name is Yuvraj Singh Tomar. I am from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh, and I joined here for SSB coaching as I cleared my NDA 157th entry. Where overall experience was very good in this academy. I prefer you all to come here and enjoy. Thank you.
My name is Sagar Kansal. I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I am for the NDA entry in the SSB. It's my first attempt, and I have been enrolled in the 10th batch of Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. My experience was so nice. All the teachers guided me so well, and when I approached there, I was lacking in the confidence, but now I have gained so much confidence about the lecture in my GD as well. So I prefer you all to come here. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Mahesh Reddy from Hyderabad. I am actually from the service entry SSB. It's from the Q4 batch.
I have previously recommended 2 times at ACC 127 and 120. I got merit out. So finally, I realized to come to the academy and take a solo. And it's a better opportunity for me to it's a better opportunity, and it's boost my confidence, and I'm ready to tackle my SSB. Thank you.
Hi, myself Rakshit BL. I'm special entry. I'm here for my SSB coaching after completing of my ACC examination. Here I got boost my confidence level, and I get so much of informative about my SSB tasks and ground tasks, etc. By coming here, I will be more confident, and now I am ready to for the SSB examination. Thank you for DDA for giving me such opportunity to having a coaching in here. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.